Let's make some menudo. When it comes to menudo, you want to look for beef tripe. And the best beef tripe for menudo is the honeycomb style. I'm going to go ahead and take this out of the bag, rinse it out, and take you through the process of getting this ready for the roaster. After rinsing it out, you want to go ahead and cut these into small squares of about 1 inch to 1.5 inches. You don't want to go too small because then it'll dissolve on you. And you don't want to make them too big because it'll take longer for it to come out of the roaster. Once you have your menudo cut up the way you want it, the next thing here to do is to go ahead and put this in the roaster. Add water, maybe about 1/2 inch over the meat. And you also want to add salt to taste and 3 cloves of garlic. This is going to be sitting in your roaster at 350 to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for about 3 hours is when you want to do the test. If after 3 hours your meat is nice and tender, that's when we can go on to the next step. If not, you want to continue, I guess you would call this cooking it, until you get your meat to your desired tenderness. Once you get your meat to your desired tenderness, the next step here is to add the menudo mix and the hominy. And don't worry, I will have links on the description below. If you guys can't find these at your local store, you can go ahead and check on my Amazon links. You should be able to find some. They're pretty inexpensive. So the bag that you see here will take care of about 3 pounds of menudo. The amount of menudo that I'm making right now is about roughly 2.5 to 2 3/4 pounds. So it's just perfect. You want to go ahead and add this to the mix. And you want to go ahead and add your hominy. This is going to only be in there for about 30 minutes to an hour. This is more just a taste, to give that menudo flavor and to soften up a little bit of that hominy. While your menudo is in the final stage of cooking, you want to go ahead and start working on your toppings. I usually get about 1/4 of an onion. I get at least 1 or 2 serrano peppers. And then I also get some limes. These are all, again, to taste. These are all going to be, if you like it, go ahead and add these. If you don't, that's perfectly fine too. Once that is done, you can set them aside and just wait until your menudo is ready. So I hope this video has helped you guys learn how to make menudo. If you do like this video, please like and subscribe and leave a comment down below. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you guys on the flip side.